Hello YouTube, iFixItAll here, Team iFixItAll. Before I reassemble my ZT-2200 EZT hydro gear transmission, I believe that's what this is. Yeah, ZT-2200. So I just don't know. There's a reason why, but I'm gonna go for it. I was peeling off, I was cleaning up the surfaces of my cover, and the factory used a very thin, well, a thin bead of silicone on this. And that's the cover. And so I have built myself a gasket. Now this this isn't, I don't know, it just seems like it's common sense that it should have a gasket. So this is a product called fish paper. And for any inquisitive toddlers out there, let's see the thickness. Make sure I'm zeroed out. I'm tired of holding my phone with my right hand when I'm right-handed. Good enough. Let's see what we come up with a thickness. Twelfth thou. I hope this isn't a bad idea. It's actually thicker than I thought. Close enough to zero. It's right at 12th thou probably. Yeah, not exactamundo. It just, I spent all the time making this gasket because I got to thinking, why don't I have a gasket? What is it that why don't we have a gasket on this? So the oil pump, the oil block goes right here, horizontally, and the motor drive goes right there. The interdependency on the center section is governed by the center section aluminum block being bolted down. So when this is bolted down, it creates the elevation of the oil block and the motor block. So I'm not changing those dynamics by adding a gasket. I think I'm going with the gasket, guys. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to rub my sealant on the gasket. Again, this is fish paper. Google it. You can get it really cheap. It's good gasket material. holds up real well. Doesn't break down in water easily at all, or oil environments. Has a tendency to almost have a, I don't know, it's just some sort of really durable mix. You can still rip it, but it's really durable. Didn't take me very long to make the gasket. But I'm going to go with a gasket on this. Yeah, that's what I'm doing. Screw it. I don't know why there isn't a gasket already. I mean, are the tolerances that skinny that adding a gasket pulls this cover away from the moving mechanism so much that it'll cause it to explode? Fuck it, we shall see. I'm doing a gasket because when I was removing the silicon, there wasn't nothing there on the two metal surfaces. That thin film was there, but honestly, you don't need to be putting no thick bead on this. You just really got to get a little bit on your finger and rub it on the metal cover. I just feel compelled to do a thin gasket. And this is really thin and durable. Alright guys, this is all this video was about. Doing a gasket on these Hydro Gear transmissions. We shall see you. Bye.